If you're a software engineer or an Android developer and you're looking for internships, which is paid and fully remote, you can work from anywhere. I have opportunities for you guys. Keep listening. A company based out of Bangalore, they are hiring for fully remote interns for 6-month contract. It's a 6-month contractual role, but still, it's a fully remote role with a very fast-paced early stage startup. ठीक है, बहुत early stage startup है within the influencer space. ठीक है. Again, it's a platform. It's a again, I'll share more what the company is about, but it's a very early stage startup. It's a great opportunity for anyone looking to learn stuff. ठीक है. Doesn't matter what you get paid. Of course, you'll get paid, and it's a fully remote role, but it's a very fast-paced startup. You'll get to learn immensely. Okay. I'll share my screen and share exactly what's the company, how much they are paying, and what they are looking for. They are looking for Android developers and software engineers. Thank you. Hear me out. This is the company. It's called Creator Circle, and you can basically find influencers and connect with them to build relationships and usko shortlist kar sakte ho, and then you can talk to them regarding your influencer campaign and all of that. Okay. You can learn more. I will give the link to the company down below. But this is the company, and these are roles they are hiring for. Okay, they are hiring for a mobile app developer and software engineer. Okay. Found it through connection, and then this is where it led me on Wellfound. Okay. So it's a paid fully remote role. The company is based out of Bangalore, but it's a paid role. 15 से 18 दे रहे हैं. I know it's not a lot, but still, it's a fast-paced, very early stage startup. If you look at their LinkedIn, ठीक है, they have 0 people. So basically, they have it's a founder-led company as of now. So only C-suite founders will be there. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity to learn and grow and add something to your resume portfolio. Okay, that you have worked on something like this. Okay, so. You can I'll share the link down below, but this is the company and these are the roles. I'll paste the link to both the job posts and the company and their LinkedIn profile down below, and you can check it out. Okay, so I've shared both the links, all the links basically which I talked about down below in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And this is just a trial, guys. This is just a trial. I'm trying out, how useful these kind of videos would be for you guys. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि this is helpful, okay, I'll try to make this on a regular basis. I'll try to hand pick these kind of opportunities for you guys, fully remote opportunities for anyone looking for a remote job being based out of India. I primarily have been, landing interviews and landing these kind of jobs for the past 10 years, more than 10 years actually. Way before COVID-19 जैसा कुछ हुआ करता था, and then remote work was a thing. Way before that, ठीक है. So I've been doing it. I feel that I have a lot to teach. If you think that this is helpful, please let me know in the comments down below, and what kind of remote jobs would you like me to pick out. मैं खुद जाके पिक आउट करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी AI को बोल दूँगा मैं जो पिक कर मेरे लिए. मैं बोलूँगा मैं खुद जाके तुम्हारे लिए हैंड पिक करूँगा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. मोस्ट लाइकली इंटरनेशनल employers, internationally fully remote jobs that that can pay you in dollars and the other currencies, so that you can make a lot. Okay. If this is helpful, please let me know and I'll share more such videos. Thank you so much.